Hello everybody and welcome back. This is the final chapter, I guess, of me owning the Maverick. This video is late coming. It's actually part of a longer video I put on my other channel, but most of my Maverick videos are on this channel, Dave's other stuff. And this was a part that I wanted to include. I wanted to snip this out of that longer video, this section, and I wanted to put it on this channel because, like I say, the other Maverick videos are on this channel. So I wanted to snip this out of that other video and include it here and make a playlist. And there it is. All my Maverick videos are in one place. So this was taken, and I've actually sold the car. This was back in through the spring, very late winter, early spring of last year, 2023, and it had sit for 6 months, all through the winter, snow and ice, and single-digit temperatures. But anyway, I did sell the car. Loaded it all up. A guy come down from Erie, Pennsylvania, I believe it was, loaded it all up and drove it away. And I guess here's the clip of that. There goes the Maverick. It's gone. Oh boy, that's kind of tough seeing it go down the road. That's it. I'll never see it again. Wait, maybe one more little peek. It's gone. That's it. I got money in my pocket now. So there's certainly money for the transmission in the van, and a nice little chunk left over to let's set aside for now. So I want to get back to, okay, so we'll start this here with the original audio, and I want to play this section and, like I say, have it in my library of Maverick videos. Keep in mind, it had sat for 6 months. And don't know if she's going to start or not. It's that all winter long. We're cold and snow and ice, and so away we go. Okay, I pulled it over here, shut it off, and it's been sitting ever since. Now, I don't know. Gee, has the battery gone dead? Boys, it need a bath. Boys, it need a paint job. I wonder. I know there's gas in it. I did not hook anything. The battery's still hooked up. Like I say, I shut it off 6 months, and it's been about 6 months and 5 or 6 days. I have no idea if the battery's held up over the winter or not. I'm gonna grab the keys and we're gonna see if it starts, because I gotta get this out of here, and I'm gonna do something else with it, because the coachman's gonna go in here and then get plugged into the garage, and that's where it sits for the summer. Well, we use it and get out and about in it once in a while, but for the most part, the coachman will get a nice long rest this summer. All right, I'll bet some of you haven't seen a set of Ford keys that look like that in a while. I remember the old GM keys as well. Yeah, they don't make keys that look like that anymore. Now we're gonna see if the battery. We're gonna see. And I left it unlocked too. There's a reason. I wonder if any squirrels are gonna go running out of here. Belle says, "Oh, you have the car." All right, now we'll see if see if anything happens. Well, that's a good sign. The oil light comes on. Now I know it's it's an old carburetor, old mechanical fuel pump, an old carburetor system. I know I'm gonna have to crank it over a bit just to get gas back up into the carburetor. See if it'll even crank over. Oh wow, it cranks surprisingly well. Let's let it go a bit. The oil pressure, the oil light went out, so it's got oil pressure. Cranked it enough to give it oil pressure. All right, now we're gonna find out. Now I'm gonna have to probably pump it. Ugh, it's been sitting a while. I'm not afraid. Let's pump it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. Let's give it a good drink. I'm not worried about flooding it. It won't flood.
Will start. Come on. Not yet. Maybe we need some more gas out there. Oh, it's like it almost. Let's try it a few more times. Come on. Oh, she's thinking about it now. Come on, girl. Not bad for over 6 months, huh? And through the winter. Yeah, she's rough around the edges. Needs a new horn button. It's missing. It needs a horn button. Period. And some other things. Let them warm up a bit. It's nice to know the lights out and everything. So, all right. Come on. I don't see any nests blew out or anything. Dude, something stunk. I wonder if there was a nest up in there somewhere that something just smoked a little bit and then quit. I better see what that is. I don't know. Doesn't look like anything serious. I think it's alright. The thing about letting the car sit like this, you know, somebody say, you should have put it on, should have parked it on gravel or something. It's bad for them to sit like this in with the damp. And it is. They'll trouble is if you let them sit too long and they start sinking, you know, the tires start sinking down into the ground, the grass starts growing up around it. If you lose that airflow, you don't get a breeze underneath the car, well, that gets bad, and the moisture gets trapped. It rusts them out quicker. But short term, you can get away with it for a little while, but you know, the tires are still nice and aired up. They're not sinking in at all. That's grass growing up around them. That's kind of the beginning. Let cars sit like that for a year or two or three, and see, it can still get plenty of ventilation under it. So, well, that one there might be a soft spot in the yard there. That one there might be sitting down a little bit. Maybe it's a little bit low too. No, those are brand new tires on there too. So, actually sounds pretty good. Sounds nice and quiet. All original factory air conditioner car. Air conditioned car. It has the biggest 6 that was available in the Maverick. 250 cubic inch. Running good. Alright, we'll warm up a little bit more and see if I can get it out of the yard. now if I have that kind of luck with everything else that I left behind up here all winter long, my tractor, and oh, I don't know what else I have here. I don't expect any problem out of this. And now it's not quite time to cut grass yet. It's give it another week. It's really close. It's about time. I am going to go run it over there where I moved the Maverick and trim some of that down, and just to see if she'll start and she's going to be ready for the season. That's it. Just give it a quick running over here and trim how it was kind of growing around the side of the car, and I don't know, just tidy it up a bit, I guess. You got your yard back? Are we back? You got your yard back. Now you can be looking for all those bad deers and stuff out there, and rabbits and squirrels and stuff. Okay.
All right, everybody, thanks for watching this video. We're going to wrap it up. Check some of our other videos. I made a playlist of when we kind of getting it home, when we got it back home, from how we found it to getting some life back into it, and getting the thing running, and a couple of cold starts, and to where we finally got it running pretty good for a 6-cylinder. But had fun with the car. So yeah, check out some of the other Maverick videos and other things on the channel. So thanks again for watching, and we'll be back with some other content sometime soon. I'll see you.